Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to show you 7 best winter destinations in India where you can get lots of snow. This is Devadu and you are watching my channel Devru Travel and Films. Witnessing snow first time is just unreal moment and also dream for everyone. And if you want to experience snowy white winter destinations where you can get snowfall, तो भाई और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में. And also, if you want to enjoy the activities like skiing, cable car ride and trekking, then winter is the best time to do it. So here are 7 of the best places in India to witness snow in winter. Number 1. Gulmarg in Jammu and Kashmir. Surrounded by the Pir Panjal in western Himalayas, Gulmarg is absolutely stunning in winters. With temperatures dropping to even -8 degrees Celsius in December, it's one of the best places in India to witness snowfall. You can enjoy skiing and India's highest and longest cable car project, Gulmarg Gondola. Second place is Manali in Himachal Pradesh. Manali undoubtedly one of the most popular hill station in India and a favorite tourist location. The hilly gateway is covered in a blanket of snow during the winter season. With icy winds, light rains and heavy snowfall, the snow-capped mountains and pine trees look splendid. You can enjoy the city, mall road and can do activities like skiing in Solang Valley near Manali. Third destination is beautiful North Sikkim. North Sikkim turns into heaven in winters. You can find snow most of the parts of North Sikkim at that time. But places like Yangthang and India's highest lake Gurudangmar is the best to experience fresh snow. The winter in North Sikkim can be quite harsh, so don't forget to carry extra warm clothes. Next one is Tonglu in West Bengal. Tonglu is most popular for the stopover place during Sandakphu trek, but it is also beautiful during winter as it gets snowfalls mostly in December and January. The view of mighty Kanchenjunga, the third highest mountain peak, and the sunrise from Tonglu is one of the beautiful events which should not be missed during your visit. Number 5. Chamoli in Uttarakhand. Chamoli in Uttarakhand is another precious destination where you can get fresh snow in winter time. This district receives heavy snowfall and many locations are wrapped in thick blanket of snow. Chamoli is popular location to start famous treks like Brahmatal and Rupkund. Next in this list is Kaza in Spiti Valley. Kaza becomes white land during winter. The weather is really harsh at that time. But if you want to experience some extreme adventure there, you can do winter Spiti road trip also. Spiti in winter is also very popular for snow leopard expedition. So do visit Kaza in Spiti Valley during winter. Last but not the least is Sikkim. Changu Lake Baba Mandir in East Sikkim is also covered with snow during winter. From Gangtok, you can visit this lake and Baba Mandir within 3 hours. The lake freezes totally and if you are lucky enough, you can experience snowfall also. So if you are in Sikkim during winter, don't miss Changu Lake and Baba Mandir. So these are the 7 winter destinations in India where you can get snowfall along with lots of snow. So let me know in the comment section where do you want to go among these 7 places. So this is it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If so, please do press the like button, comment below and share this video with your friends and family. And also don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Till then, stay safe and have a good day.